So realistically speaking, anybody that says that they can remodel a shower in a day is not real. There is a couple companies around, not mentioning name, that put a sheet of something on top of your existing material, and they even need 2 days to do so. So to say that the shower can be remodeled in a day is not true. Look, it all depends on the details that you want your shower to have. So if you're just fixing a problem and you're trying to do the absolutely cheapest thing ever, then you still need 3 days to get a shower done. That could be done through an onyx material, or it can be done through acrylic panels, but you're still talking 3 days. If you're going to go with a porcelain sheet or a quartz sheet to do your shower, you need 3 weeks in which the material is produced, but still 1 week on site. If you are doing a tile custom shower, then you are going to expect 10 days on site working. So we are still people. We are people doing the work. We are professionals on it. And we take the time to make sure that all the details that we spoke about and we agreed to are done. So with that said, you want to allow the time for the craftsmanship to shine. And it's not about how fast can we go, but it is about how beautiful it's going to be. What's the purpose, right, that will serve? So it is doing the purpose that the whole remodel of the shower was about, and there will be no leaks. So ultimately, you need to be, again, aware that there is no such a thing as a one-day shower.